Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to learn about a lambda function in Python. In previous videos, we have talked about a normal function, and in this video, we are going to learn about what is a lambda function and how can we use that. So first thing is that what is a lambda function? So basically, lambda function is a one-line function. So it is also known as an anonymous function because whenever we create a lambda function, that time we don't need to define a name of that function. That's why it is known as an anonymous function. Okay, so let's see that how can we define our lambda function. First we are going to create a normal function. Okay, so here I am going to create a normal function which will do square of a number. Okay, so how can we create a normal function? We seen that. Okay, so that. Okay, so here we created a normal function. It will do a square. So now here I am going to call our function square function. Inside that I am going to pass 5, and you can see that it will return me 25. Okay, so now I am going to use a lambda function and we will see that which one is easy. Okay, so how can we create a lambda function? It is so simple. You have to just use a lambda keyword. X is your argument, and after that colon. Now x into x because we want to do square. Now I am going to store this one line function inside one variable. Okay, so now I am going to call s, and inside that I am going to pass 5. So here you can see that it will return me 25. So now we can clearly see that lambda function is a too much short, and whenever we create a normal function, that time we have to use a def keyword, we have to create a name of our function, and also we have to do return and all that things. As compared to lambda function, a normal function is little bit harder. Okay, and lambda function is too much easier. Now I am going to do addition of two numbers with help of our lambda function. So how can we do that? So lambda a colon. So a is our argument. Now a plus a. It will return me a plus a. Add 1 and 2. Okay, sorry, 1. So you can see that it will return me 2. Okay, so we can also pass 2 or more argument in our lambda function. So let's check out that. So here I am going to call create one function that will do addition of two numbers. A is equal to a plus b. Okay, so now I am going to pass two parameters, 1 and 2. So now you can see that it will return me 3. Okay, so how it will work? Whenever I pass 1 and 2, that time it will go inside a lambda function and it will assign like this: a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. After that it will do addition like 1 plus 2, that means 3. That's how our lambda function work. Okay, so our lambda function will be more powerful when we use a lambda function inside our normal function. So how can we use a lambda function inside our normal function? So let's look at that. So here I am going to create a normal function. Inside that I am going to create a lambda function. Okay, Now I am going to call our normal function add, and inside that I am going to pass 25. Okay, so I am going to store this add inside one variable like where is equal to 25. So what happened if I print where? That is our variable. So it will return us that one object. That object is a lambda function. You can see that it is saying that the object is a lambda. Now I am going to pass 5 inside our where. Okay, so now I'm going to run this code. So you can see that it will return us 125. So how it will work? Whenever we call add and inside we pass 25, that time 25 will go inside our add function as a n is equal to 25. After that we will do where is equal to 5. Okay, where is equal to 5, that time it will go inside our lambda function and it will do like this 25 into 5. Okay, so and after that it will return us 125. So that's how a lambda function work inside a normal function. So if you have any question about lambda function or a normal function, you can just ask me in comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.